The following is a public notice. Tariffs imposed on goods from our neighboring countries are now a reality. Starting immediately, goods and services from Canada and Mexico will be more expensive, including used vehicles from Canada. This is creating an unprecedented automobile opportunity. According to NADA and Kelley Blue Book, some values have increased virtually overnight. Late model, low mileage vehicles are now in high demand, and no one will pay you more than the Sunset Auto family in Sumner and Auburn. Guaranteed. Mandated to acquire at least 100 used vehicles immediately, Sunset will make you an offer, no matter how much you may owe. Pay off your current loan and write you a check for the balance. Trade in your current vehicle and the value is even greater. Sunset has financing for all qualifying vehicles starting at 3.99% APR. And you'll receive warranty protection for life and oil changes for life with every single qualifying vehicle. Stop by any Sunset Auto Family dealership immediately and get a complimentary appraisal without an appointment. This message will be repeated.